Hello, I saw your question on discussion board. You want to find the resultant of two forces. One's acting 38 pounds due south and the other's 52 pounds due west. So I tried to draw a figure here, north, east, west, south. So we have 52 pounds due west and then 38 pounds due south. So it makes a nice right triangle. So we can apply our, we got a right triangle we can solve. This here would be the resultant. We could just use Pythagorean theorem, hypotenuse squared equals one leg squared plus the other. So r squared would equal 38 squared plus 52. I put that in a calculator and I obtained 4,148. And then when you take the square root of it, you get 64.4 pounds, which is the resultant force. Now we want to find this angle here, but we first of all got to find the angle in here. Tangent theta equals opposite over adjacent. So this angle here would equal opposite over adjacent, so it would be 38 over 52. So we want theta, so the inverse tan comes out to 36.2 degrees. Now that's that angle right here. Now we got to find the angle here, which would be 90 minus that, which comes out to 53.8 degrees. So it's south, 53.8 degrees west. Hope that helps.